So we have some armoured stuff here, the Exosafe shirt and the Exosafe vest, replacement for the Held Keltor and Kendo.
Yep.
Before you say anything, Loz,
Yep.
I just want to say that this is absolutely rammed with armour everywhere. On the front, on the back, one of the widest back protectors I've ever seen. Take it away. Not take it away, but
Take it away.
take it away.
Yeah, so basically, like the man says, the first thing that I was impressed with, and the dealers have been impressed with, is actually the width of this back protector. As I previously explained, D3O are working with Held in Germany now and creating our own armour. That's what sits in this. So basically, in the vest and in the shirt, you have 2-piece chest protectors. You then have inside on both, if you open it up, you have a detachable kidney belt. Now there's 2 different lengths for this, or sorry, thicknesses, and it velcros into the back, so you can take it out if you don't want it. That's a plus point. You've then got obviously a separate Coccyx protector at the bottom on both. Why? Because not everybody wants a Coccyx protector. If you're short in the body like me, this would be sitting somewhere that we don't talk about, so I'd obviously either have to cut it down or I'd take it out, because my back protector would give me enough coverage that I need. Anyway, the aesthetic, is it abrasion resistant? No, it isn't. Alright, so it isn't one of the ones that you could wear on its own. You would need something like an aramid hoodie or an aramid shirt like we do to go over the top of it to add that extra protection. But you know, it's got everything you need to go in it. You can add some rib protection if you want to. Personally, do you know what I mean? It's got enough going on to keep you protected, but it looks super smart, man. So if you wanted to wear one under a product, whether it be a textile or a leather suit, you could take it off, leave this on, and it actually, you know, you look like you should be in Blade or something. Do you know what I mean? I think it's quite funky. What do you think of the one with sleeves?
Yeah, I like it. It's you know, if you got a really nice leather jacket that you take the armour out of because you want to wear it as much off the bike as you do on the bike, and you slip this on, slip the jacket on, away you go.
Yeah, exactly that. Do you know what I mean? But what I like about it is the fact that, one, you can take all the bits of armour out if you want to, but it, like I say, it looks super smart. The construction of it is, our old one used to be quite meshy. This one's obviously got the breathable panels where it needs to be, and in the other areas you've got this kind of like, you know, this temper foam through the midriff, through the sides, just to offer that little bit of different detailing on the aesthetic. It's just a real smart bit of kit with all the protection and the quality of obviously held build quality and D3O protection.
If you haven't had a look at the D3O protection, do so, because once you can feel this stuff, it's fantastic. On my first experience, it was a phone case.
Yeah. I think Apple were the first people. They did one for an iPhone, didn't they?
Yeah.
That was the first thing, and that's when it came to the fore. And then obviously it appeared on Dragon's Den, I think, D3O. And from there, it's just gone leaps and bounds. It's not just this industry; it's mountain biking, it's motocross, skiing, hockey. I think it's in everything, every kind of walk of life. Do you know what I mean? There'll be something that's constructed with D3O. So we're really proud of having a partnership with D3O and then making our armour for us. And then obviously they help us create things like this, which are super smart, super functional, but all the things in it are available separately if you want to buy it and just add it into your own product.
Cool.
Sweet as a nut. So, Exosafe, vest and shirt, it's definitely a plus from us.